Hey friends, welcome again to 411 Free IT. All free IT technology, mainly open source. Here we got the Raspberry Pi. You saw my previous video on it. You probably saw the video where the CEO was talking about power requirements. So I'm just doing a test because I want to make sure that I can get my Raspberry Pi working up the first time and having the right power source. Anyway, I've got this USB LG with a cable that'll I'm going to test. And I also have this one here. And the reason why they're both LG, one is a USB, one is a straight up connector. These are both 5.1 volt, 0.7 amp, which should be enough to power the Raspberry Pi. And that's because they said that any cell phone charger should be able to do it. So let's see how that works out. And then you can decide if you can use one of your own power supplies or USB, micro USBs to do it, or if you have to buy one from a third party provider. So let's go ahead here. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my cell phone charger. And I'm going to go ahead here and turn on my meter. Okay, we got that. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Raspberry Pi. And there it is. Hold on. I gotta do something else. Hold on. There it is. There's the power light on, and here I have my two connectors. I'm sorry about that. And the positive goes on TP1, which is right here, and the negative goes on TP2 right here. And there you go. So this is the cell phone charger, the wall charger, and it's reading 4.93. The Raspberry Pi, I think the minimum is like 4.8 to 5.25 is the ideal power source you want to have constant. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out this one. And let's go ahead now and test the USB one that I have. And let's take a look and see how that works. You see this one here. I'm going to plug it into this right here. So let me go ahead and plug that in. I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. Having a little trouble here, but there it is. I got it plugged in. And I'm going to turn on the power source here. The light is on, so it's a good connection. Now let's see what this one provides. This is a USB with a micro USB cable attached to it. So we're going to go TP1 and TP2, 4.93 volts. So there it goes. I've showed you two ways using a micro USB cable with an adapter, 5.1 volts, a wall charger, also 5.1 volts, to go ahead and power up the Raspberry Pi, and it gave us a steady power source flow of about 4.93. So I hope this video helps you out in deciding your power source. Thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up to 411 Free IT.